students, welcome you all to our brilliant channel Maths Nation. Dear students, if you have not subscribed Maths Nation, kindly subscribe it now. I promise to complete your syllabus. Would like to solve all your queries which you may kindly drop in the comment box. So dear students, in my last sessions we have discussed about area and perimeter of rectangle and path in a rectangular field or in a square field. Today we continue with the area of a parallelogram. Area of a parallelogram. Area of a parallelogram. Parallelogram. Okay. Area of a parallelogram. Suppose A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram, and D, E is the perpendicular, and E is the altitude or the perpendicular. Then area of the parallelogram, the area here A, B, C, D is a parallelogram, and D, E is the altitude, and D, E altitude to the base AB. Then area of the parallelogram is equal to area of the parallelogram is base into height. Base into height. Here the base is, here the area of A, B, C, D parallelogram is AB into DE. Here AB is the base and DE is the altitude or height. Okay. Then please remember the area of a parallelogram is base into height. Here the base is AB and the height is DE. Okay. Then next, here the area of a, remember area of a parallelogram is base into height. Okay. I have already told you students, please practice variety of questions. The area of a rhombus shaped field whose and area of the rhombus is also area of a rhombus is area of a, because you know that all rhombus are parallelogram. So area of a rhombus is also base into height or altitude, base into height. And another formula of area of rhombus is half into D1 into D2, where D1 and D2 are two diagonals of the rhombus. All rhombus are parallelogram, but all parallelograms are not rhombus. Rhombus is the parallelogram whose all sides have equal length. Suppose here A, B, C, D is a rhombus. A, B, C, D is a rhombus, means A, B, C, D is a rhombus. When AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. In a rhombus is a parallelogram whose all sides have equal length. AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. Okay. Then the area of a rhombus is also base into height. And another formula is half into D1 into D2. One formula is base into height, another formula is half into D1 into D2, where D1 and D2 are two diagonals. Here in the ABCD rhombus, the area of the rhombus is half into AC into BD, where AC and BD are two diagonals of the rhombus. Okay. Then do some examples. Here I have already told you students, please practice variety of questions which will be helpful for you. Here one example. Find the area of a rhombus shaped field whose length of each side is 14 centimeter and altitude is 1.6 dm. Here this is a rhombus given. A, B, C, D is a rhombus whose all sides is 14 centimeter, given 14 centimeter, and the altitude is of 1.6 dm. The altitude is 1.6 dm. At first convert the dm into centimeter. 1 dm is equal to 10 centimeter. Then 1.6 dm is equal to 16 centimeter. Here the base is equal to 14 centimeter and the altitude is 1.6 dm, which is equal to 16 centimeter. Always convert into same unit and do the multiplication or any. Before applying the formula, you must convert it into the same unit. Then the area of the rhombus is base into height. It's base into height. Here base into height. Here base equal to 14 and height equal to 16. Here this area of the rhombus is 224 centimeter square. Here area of the rhombus is 224 centimeter square. Then another example. Here another example says, example 2 says, the base of a parallelogram is twice of its height. If the area of the parallelogram is given, find the base and height. Here the question says the base of a parallelogram. Suppose A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram and the base of the parallelogram is the twice of its height. Let the height be x. Then according to questions, base is twice the height, means base is 2x. Then according to questions, area of the parallelogram is base into height. Here base is 2x into x is given. Here area is already given 512 centimeter square. Which implies 2x square is equal to 512 centimeter square. Then which implies x square is equal to 256 centimeter square. Then x equal to 16 centimeter. Means length of the height is x is 16 centimeter. Then base is 2x. Then 2x is equal to 2 into 16 is 32 centimeter. Hence we get here the base equal to 32 centimeter and the height is equal to 16 centimeter of the parallelogram. Here the base and height are, base is 32 centimeter and the height is 16 centimeter. Okay. Then do another example. Here please practice variety of questions. Here the question says two sides of a parallelogram are 40 centimeter and 50 centimeter given. Here the A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. Here A, B, C, D is a parallelogram given, and two sides of the parallelogram is 40 and 50 centimeter. This is 50 centimeter and this is 40 centimeter. And the altitudes corresponding to the sides 50 is 20 centimeter. Here this height is given, altitude is given 20 centimeter. Then we have to find out the altitude of the corresponding to the other pair. Means we have to find out this altitude. This is 40 centimeter. This is 50 centimeter. Suppose this is H1. Height 1 is 20 centimeter and we have to find the height 2. Means altitude to the another base. 50 centimeter base has the height length 20 centimeter, and the whose side is 40 centimeter, then we have to find out this altitude h2. Okay, here the questions given, here given A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. At first try to understand the questions. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram whose two sides base are A, B is equal to C, D is equal to 50 centimeter and B, C is equal to A, D is equal to 40 centimeter. Then H1 is the perpendicular to AB. H1 is the perpendicular to AB is 20 centimeter given. And H2 is perpendicular to BC. We have to find out length of H2. Let this be X. And area, you may take base this and height this, and you may take base this and height this, but always you get same area. Then area of the parallelogram ABCD, area of ABCD parallelogram is equal to base into height, which is equal to 50 into 20 is equal to 1000 is equal to 1000 centimeter square. Then here, when you consider the base as BC, then area, then let the H2 be X. Then area of ABCD is equal to X into 40, which is equal to 1000 centimeter square. Then centimeter square. Then X is equal to 1000 upon 40, which is equal to 25 centimeter. Then here we get H2 is equal to 25 centimeter. Height of the length of the altitude to the base BC means the base of 40 centimeter is 25 centimeters. Okay. Then next questions. Here another question says the area of a rhombus is 119 centimeter square and its perimeter is 56 centimeter. Find its altitude. At first try to understand the questions. Here the question is given A, B, C, D is a rhombus. Here A, B, C, D is a rhombus given. A, B, C, D is a rhombus. Rhombus is a parallelogram whose each sides have equal length. Then perimeter of a rhombus is 4 into side. Here area of the rhombus is given. Here area of rhombus A, B, C, D is given 119 centimeter squares, and perimeter of the rhombus is given 56 centimeter. Then we have to find out 56 centimeter. Then to find out the altitude, then to find out the length of the altitude. To find out the length of the altitude, okay. We have to find out the length of the altitude. Here the perimeter is 56 centimeter. Then side of the rhombus is equal to perimeter upon 4. 56 upon 4, which is equal to 14 centimeter. According to questions, 14 centimeter. According to questions, area is equal to base into height. Then here according to questions, as we know that base is 14 centimeter, but we know what is height. Let height be X. Then according to questions, base is 14 centimeter, 14 into x is equal to 119 centimeter square, because area is given 119. Hence x equal to 119 upon 14. 119 upon 14. Then 7 2 ja, then here 7 1 ja, then this 17 upon 2, this is 8.5 centimeter. Then the length of the altitude or height is equal to 8.5 centimeter. Here we get the length of the altitude is 8.5 centimeters. Okay. Then another questions. Find the area of a rhombus whose one side is 8 centimeter and altitude is 0.6 dm. Here find the area of the rhombus. Here suppose A, B, C, D is a rhombus. Suppose A, B, C, D is a rhombus. Draw a proper rhombus. Suppose A, B, C, D is a rhombus. A, B, C, D is a rhombus whose one side is 8 centimeter given, then and the altitude is 0.6 dm. Then find the area. Here length of the, here at first try to understand the questions. Length of the base or side is equal to 8 centimeter. Altitude is equal to 0.6 dm. At first convert it into same unit. 0.6 dm is equal to 6 centimeter. Then area of the rhombus is base into altitude. Area of the rhombus is equal to base into altitude, which is equal to 8 into 6, 48 centimeter square. Here area of the rhombus is 48 centimeter squares. Okay. Then another questions. Here another question says the area of a parallelogram is 625 meter square. Find the length of the side of a parallelogram if the altitude corresponding to the side are 20 meter and 25 meter. Then find the length of the sides of the parallelograms. Here at first try to understand the questions. Area of the parallelogram given. Area of the parallelogram is given, which is equal to 625 meter square. Then suppose ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. We don't know what is the length of the side. Here the length of the two altitudes is given. One altitude is 20 meter, one is 20 meter and another altitude is 25 meter. Okay. Here H1 is equal to 20 meter, H2 is equal to 25 meter. Then we have to find out AB and BC. We have to find out length. AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD. Here area of the parallelogram is given. Area is equal to base into height. Then here area is given 625. Here we don't know base. So AB into 20. AB into 20 is equal to 625. Hence AB is equal to 625 upon 20. 625 upon 20, which is equal to 5 cut. This is 25 upon 4. This is 125 125 upon 4, which is equal to 3 4 3 ja, then 4 31 whole, then this is 31 whole 1 upon 4 meter. this length is 31 whole 1/4 means 31.25 meter. This is 31.25 meter, and BC is equal to, then here if we consider the BC into 25 is also is equal to 625. As the area, you may take base this, always you get same area is equal to 625. Hence BC is equal to 625 upon 25 is equal to 25 meter. Hence here we get the side of the parallelogram is AB is equal to 31.25, where BC is equal to 25 meter. Okay. Thank you students. Today this much in my